put a forward-facing child into a car seat. We have Bad Hair Day Annie here. And she's 3 years old, and she's riding forward-facing in her car seat. This happens to be a Graco Forever, but whatever type of forward-facing car seat you would have your child in, this would be the way to get her properly in a harness. I'm going to take the shoulder straps and put them over her shoulders. I'm going to make sure that the seat is adjusted so that the straps are coming out at or above her shoulders. Forward facing, that's very important. The straps need to come out at or above their shoulders. So I've checked that. I've adjusted the headrest so that is at or above her shoulders. And then I am going to buckle her in. Do that. Okay, there I have her in. I have the straps over her shoulders. I've put them over her hips and I've secured them at the crotch buckle. Now I'm going to show you a couple things. To tighten, we always pull some kind of a pull strap. So I'm going to tighten her up here, and I'm going to get it tight enough that at the shoulder level you can't pinch and grab any of the fabric. It's so hard to show with video, but you want to make it tight enough that you can't pinch and grab anything there. So I'm going to tighten that up more, okay, so that I can't grab and pinch anything. But and so at that point I would say it's tight enough, and you're going to take the chest clip and position it at so the top of it is level with her armpit crease. There we go, armpit crease, top of it, that's right across her nipples. But I'm going to show you what most people forget. Most people forget that there can be slack built up in the hip area. So when if I was doing this for a real child, what I would have done in there that I didn't is I would have taken and pulled up the slack out of the hip area. So now I'm going to do that. Now that I've got her in there nice and tight at the shoulders, I'm going to actually double check there's no slack in the hip area. I'm going to pull this chest clip all the way down now, and I'm going to take, it's hard to do with one hand, take and pull right there. I'm now grabbing that slack from the hip area, usually with two hands, but right now with one. And I'm going to push that chest clip up, and you can see now that we are getting quite a bit of slack, pinchable slack. Darn shoulder strap here. Lots of pinchable slack at the shoulder. So to get rid of that, once again, you move the chest clip all the way down, and then drop the phone, and slide it up while pulling down here. And then you take the adjuster strap and pull on it a couple more times, and now you have it nice and tight at the shoulders. A snug harness on a forward-facing child should be routed so that it comes out at or above their shoulders. It needs to be tight to have the slack pulled out at the hip area. Okay, the chest clip needs to be positioned so the top of it is even with the armpit crease, and the clip is right across their nipple line. Shoulder pads are fine if they come with the seat. We don't want you to go buy some at Walmart or Target that didn't come with the seat and add them on there. They're not crash tested with a seat, not approved. So here is Bad Hair Day Annie in her Graco Forever, used forward facing.